Number 1 only. Yes or no?
No tailgating. Next vehicle. Mabuhay.
Down. Just up.
Kasing hawak mo ang beat.
Hey.
Dali.
2,000 minimum damage payment. Thank you. For bumping barrier.
What? I will get you.
Hawak mo. Sing.
Re-record ko sana pero...
Bakit? Pumunta siya doon.
Ay, na pwede. Ay, wag na. Okay lang kahit ano. Ganito ko to.
I have something. What?
Damn. The facility.
Where is I can hear.
Ba't inunan niya yun?
Hindi ata nababasa yun, no?
RFID. Mabuhay. Casino 1. Fee 35. Magkano ba? 35.
Dylan, I will stay here.
Para hindi mo na i-input list, pwede ko bang bayaran na lang?
You don't have
Ha?
payment.
Oo, sige.
Here we go.
Coca-Cola everyday.
Here we go.
Convoy.
Here we go.
Sige dito.
Ano yan?
Paano yung exit ko pala?
Pang-step ka ng ano.
Coffee.
Yung
Coffee.
exit ko?
We're going up.
May lagyan mo nga dyan. Baka kailangan yan doon sa mga driver.
Ano yan? Kapang timpla?
O kung may isa pang kape ito.
Sa likod.
Enjoy. Pasaldik Marita.
Ano ulam nyo, Mai?
Adobong manok.
Let's all sitting.
Adobo
Is that an
chicken.
ambulance?
we'll go to ambulance.
What's that?
Let's go to emergency room.
Diyan nagtatrabaho si mama na yun eh.
Yan, Judy.
Duty. Duty for nurse.
Let's go to emergency room.
No.
Ah,
Why?
hell na.
Why not?
Holiday Inn pala to. Yung sa India, may ganyan din sila.
Let's go home to
Holiday Inn.
Manila.
Ah.
Is that a
Old trucks.
window?
May, buti hindi
The
nakasama si
window's
Nick.
closed.
Buti, paano makakasama?
Siya na naman ang magbabayad dito ng gas nito.
Go.
Although you,
Buti
you didn't
siya
even
nakasama
risk
ngayon, hindi nakagastos.
I got isa.
Ay,
Damn.
I like go.
are you angry?
Daddy, oh. Si Dylan, oh. Dylan, oh.
Ambulance oh, sitinan oh,
Hmm?
ambulance oh,
Hmm?
sitinan.
Alabang, Kalamba, Batangas. Going na.
Rasa ang haba na nakukumuo. Parang kukuno ng ano yan.
We're gonna
Katingin.
go.
Ha?
South City. South City South City Express Bus.
Why? What way you go?
Huh?
What way you go?
I'm going to the Skyway. You want to go to the Skyway?
No. Let's
Ay, bet
go.
sana heights tayo siguro.
Where's the airplane nila? There's
Sana
the
heights
airplane,
tayo
no?
mag-exit, no?
Pacific.
Airplane.
What I take
Okay mo,
away?
Becky?
They're going to Palawan.
Ah,
Oh no.
Bye-bye.
Kala ko
Would you
yung
like to
Becky,
go to
pero-
Palawan?
No.
Tawag pag-utay yung pag-utay.
Ubi Express
Oh,
Oh, it's
Airport Bus.
amazing. Sabi niya. Look at the clouds. It looks like a cotton. Amazing.
Is that the cotton?
Yeah.
Can I go to the Earth?
Or RCG Transport Premium
Sabi niya,
point-to-point
I'm scared of
bus.
the heights, si Mami. Ang iingay din pa naman sa unahan kami nakaupo.
DLTV ko.
Daldal ng daldal dun sa buong biyahe.
Yeah.
Hindi natulog.
Isang liner. Sales Transport.
Scared of the heights.
No. Is that the office?
I cannot see.
You still a girl?
Ito ka Dylan.
Yes or
I
no?
want to hide.
This is C5
Still a
exit.
girl? Yes or no?
C5 exit.
Daddy, let's go back home. I'll get my bag.
Diyan nag-hospital
and let's
si
go to
Lolo.
airport.
No.
Diyan,
Sit down
matagal
here.
na.
Okay pa.
Nung buhay pa yun. 2023. DLTV ko. Yan, DLTV ko.
Sasaya ko, may papunta kayo yun.
Nag-skyway kayo, hindi?
Skyway.
Ay, oo, pa Buendia. Nag-skyway sila.
Masala pa.
Although sa Cubao, nagsa-skyway. Effect on the roads. Skyway Stage 1 Rehabilitation. I cannot see again.
Still a girl?
What's
Yes or
that
no?
house?
Building.
Building.
It's a building.
Traffic pa going home, oh.
There's the crane, Dylan. It's the crane, no?
Diyan nag-ano yung North-South Commuter
I
Railway.
know.
Nagawa na.
Diyan nagagawa. Kasi yan yung replacement ng Philippine National Railways.
Tagal pa yun, no? Ilan taon pa? Dalawa?
Tw-
Tatlo?
2028 pa yun bubukas.
That's a crane.
Pa.
Yes, it's a crane.
Sayang,
You see the crane?
Graduate na si Kuya Ulyo to.
Sa 2028? Damn. I didn't know that. Hindi ko na alam kung graduate na siya doon. Stop standing, I cannot see.
Dylan.
Stop standing, I cannot see. Bikutan exit.
Are you going to the swimming pool, Dylan?
No.
Bikutan
I'm
exit.
going to SM.
SM?
Going to Upper Bikutan and SM Bikutan.
Papa,
Oh, wow.
can I go to SM? Mama?
You like the SM, the MOA eye?
No.
Why?
Ferris wheel nga yun.
Is that an SM?
SM
Is that
City.
the SM? Look at that. Look at
Ano,
that
Dylan, no?
building.
Ilapot yung building ng SM mo.
SM
Yeah.
City Bikutan.
Katawin daw.
I don't want. I
Do not stand, I cannot see.
Ah, SM Bikutan pala. You like there?
no.
Do not stand, I cannot see. I cannot see the view. Diyan diyan siya nagbabakasyon eh. Diyan siya nag-swimming kaklase ko eh. Si grade 4 at saka
Nasuri.
Sasauri. Diyan sila nag-swimming noon. Kasi nakita ko yung FB niya na stories.
Saan kayo pupunta?
Ha?
Ano sa swimming?
Sa swimming? Wala pa. Still don't know. I don't know the name. Coco Martin.
Favorite mo yan?
Yes.
Mark.
Yes, he is my idol. He was my idol. Although, it is Batang Quiapo already ended na eh.
What?
Alps
Is
Bus.
the rainbow?
Nangyayari sa rainbow.
Ano nangyari sa?
Nangyayari sa rainbow.
Si Clay?
DLTV ko.
Rainbow? Ano nangyari sa rainbow?
Cargo Express.
What happened to your plane?
Do not stand. Damn it.
Why not Kuya Ras?
Do not stand. I'm recording a view.
Kuya Ras, a.k.a.
No.
Ano?
It's
a.k.a.
for my YouTube video. It's for my YouTube.
Kuya Ras.
Police car. No, it's ambulance. Do not move.
Ambulance. Ilan?
Do not stand.
Ambulance.
Ambulance, oh. You know.
Ambulance. Ilan oh. Ambulance oh.
Is that a siren sound?
Yes.
What that sound?
South City Express Bus.
Eh, siya pangalan ng ambulance.
Doon tayo exit sa Sukat. Nga pala. Doon tayo exit sa Sukat. Sukat exit. Eh, rehab na din yung rehab na din yung stage 2. Sukat exit.
Mas mo si Iya?
May online
Si
class.
Bambino? Is that
Pina-online sila kasi bukas di ba wala rin pasok.
Bambino?
Bakit?
Labor Day.
South Sukat exit. significant load, no entry.
Is that what?
Marami naman tao bukas. Saan? Ay, naku, maraming uuwi sa mga ano. Kasi ano eh, long weekend, di ba? Walang pasok bukas. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Ngayon pa lang traffic na.
Oo.
No?
Ano naman ang ano, ang
Ay,
mga resort.
maraming pupuntang Baguio.
Hmm.
Mga resort.
Thank you.
Tara, punta rin ng Baguio.
Thank you, New
Punta rin
Balance.
ng Baguio, may.
Ba't sumama yung pakiramdam ni Menchi?
Kasi kahapon, nabasa ko doon sa Barangay 183. Ano, kuhaan ng
Check yung...
March na birthday.
Oo.
1 to 4 yun.
Mm.
Pumunta naman sila, sumabay siya kay Laninot. So sabi niya wala daw.
Sa PWD pa lang, pinamimigay. Wala pang senior.
End of the
Bakit
expressway.
kaya hindi na lang nila ano no, ilagay sa bangko, tapos doon na lang sa ATM o kaya i-Gcash na lang. Wawa naman yung mga PWD, pupunta pa sa Cuneta Astro.
Ano nga, magkano naman ibibigay na para namang ano.
Taxi ka pa, kaya magsiservice.
1,000 lang binibigay, di ba? Sa
May 1,000.
PWD.
End of the
Kasi
video.
mga pag sa Gcash, ano eh, ipang scatter eh. Pang sugal.
Si